Hello friends, welcome back. This is Nima. Today we're gonna make modeling paste or texture paste, whatever way you want to call it. This paste normally use it in my journals or in my cards, but it can also be used for other type of crafts and art. The method that I'm gonna use, I call it the 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the ingredients that I need are very simple. I need one container, and this is pretty much my recipe. 2 parts of acrylic paint, 3 parts of glue, and I'm using Dollar Tree from the Dollar Tree store. Those are my ingredients. That's a white glue, and 4 parts of cornstarch or baby powder, and I just happened to find this one. I think it was a Dollar Tree also. Cornstarch baby powder. Cornstarch or baby powder. If you want something with more texture, you can use what is it, plaster of Paris, or even I tried once with baking soda, but it was very grainy. So if you use something with plaster of Paris, then you're gonna get more grainy consistency, something more like with texture. So if that's what you want, then go ahead and use that. I want something very smooth, something easy to color, so I'm gonna use this baby powder, that it is actually very, very thin, and you can use cornstarch like I said. I'm not gonna make too much because this will last for a long time. Make sure that your container has a lid. I'm gonna use this type of plastic container, disposable, to measure everything. And I'm gonna measure first my powder so it won't get stick to the container when I'm measuring the other liquid parts. And then I'm gonna mix everything in here. To make sure that your liquid parts are mixed really well, you can mix them in a separate container and then mix them with those solid parts or the dry parts. And that's what I'm gonna do in here. I don't think I have anything else in here. take this stencil. Just add in a little bit. Just want to make sure that it's not running. Yeah, I think it's a good consistency. Based on the time that I have done this, once you let it sit for a while, you're gonna see how that cornstarch is gonna continue absorbing until it gets settled. So it might get a little thicker by tomorrow and it will be ready to use, and I'm gonna use it pretty soon in some projects that I have in mind. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.